Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching the Steam desktop client and signing in. Once you're logged, enable the Steam overlay in settings right arrow in game so the capture key works. Now open the game you want to capture and confirm your chosen screenshot key in the same in-game settings. You're doing this because the overlay coordinates captures with Steam's uploader. Make sure the overlay indicator appears in the upper left when pressing the key so you know the shot registered. Once the overlay is active, press your screenshot key while playing to save the image to Steam's local folder. You'll see an on-screen confirmation. If you want to review immediately, press Shift+Tab to open the overlay and choose View Screenshots to inspect, rename, or delete captures. Make sure to pick the best shots and add captions or tags so uploads look intentional. Steam uses these captions in your screenshot library and community pages, improving visibility. Now finish by opening Steam right arrow view right arrow screenshots. Select the game, pick the images you want, add a caption, select an album and press upload to Steam. Wait for the progress indicator and then visit the game's screenshot page to confirm they appear publicly or privately as you intended. If upload stalls, make sure your internet is stable, Steam is up to date, and Steam Cloud or upload settings aren't paused. Restarting the client usually resolves caching or authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.